Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to show you how to make a super cute crochet flower keychain. It's such a funny way to add some personality to your bags or keys, and it's actually really simple to do. First, we start with a magic ring to keep the center tight. Then, we are going to chain 6 to create our starting loop. Now, we slip stitch into the very first chain we made to close the circle. This gives us the foundation for our petals. We make 4 chain stitches. Then we work double crochets into the center of our ring. And then we make a chain stitch. Now we repeat this for 10 times. Now out of the 4 chain stitches we made at the beginning, slip stitch into the third chain. Now in the first loop, make 1 single crochet. And in the next loop, make 2 single crochets. Repeat this for the full circle. To join both of these, we slip stitch into the first single crochet loop. To start with the petal shape, we chain 10 and then slip stitch back into the loop on the left. Now make 3 slip stitch towards the right. Make 2 double crochet into 1 chain and repeat this for 5 chains. Make 3 chain stitches and repeat 2 double crochet into 1 chain on the other side. To join, make a slip stitch and make 3 more slip stitch to start the next petal. Now repeat the same process for the next petal like the first one for 5 more petals. Make a slip stitch in the second loop. Once the flower is done, simply chain 10 to 15 depending on how long you want it and tie it to the flower. Now for the best part, the decoration. To make a flower look extra special and aesthetic, I'm going to stick these pearls right in the center. It gives it such a high-end boutique feel, almost like something you'll find in a professional shop. I'm just using a tiny drop of glue in the middle of our petals. Carefully place your pearl right in the center and press down for a few seconds. If you don't have pearls, you could use a colorful small stone or even a small button to match your favorite bag. Doesn't that look so much more elegant? It's these tiny details that make our handmade craft so unique. And we are done. Look how pretty that turned out. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. If you're going to try this at home, let me know in the comments what color you're using. Thanks for hanging out with me today, friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art and craft. See you in the next one. Bye.